Welcome to PowerExcel Personal, a free, standalone instance of this premier planning, analytics, and reporting information system. Download the setup file to your desired location. Right-click on Setup and select Run as Administrator. A message appears, requiring a number of items to be installed. As there are several components to install, this will take a few minutes. A prompt appears, requiring you to restart your machine as part of the installation process. This will be the first of 2 instances. Once you are back up and running, click Install to proceed. The install wizard for the core PowerExcel Personal program will be installed. Accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. Accept the terms of the maintenance agreement and click Next. Click Install to finish this last stage of the installation process. PowerExcel Personal has been successfully installed. But you will need to restart your machine again. The second of 2 instances. When you launch Excel for the first time, you will see a running progress bar. PowerExcel is contacting the licensing program. Here we will register the PowerExcel Personal software license. A prompt informs you to check your email to complete the registration process. Following that, you should receive an email from Paris Tech Support. Within that email, click on Complete Registration. A message confirms that you have successfully registered the PowerExcel Personal license. It is necessary at this point to close and launch Excel. Then close and launch Excel again. Once that is done, check the PowerExcel Personal license. You can proceed to use PowerExcel Personal. Let us create a new slice to check. You will see a PowerExcel slice that has dynamic connectivity to a business model for planning, analytics, and reporting. Thank you for watching and for taking time to try out PowerExcel. If you need any help, reach out to us through the contact page on paristech.com. Like and subscribe here on YouTube for more great videos, and follow Paris Technologies on LinkedIn for new and varied content. Cheers!